Boca De Oro is a festival of visual, performing, and literary arts and culture in downtown Santa Ana. This year is our 4th annual festival on March 7th. We have our students who are dancers, singers, instrumental musicians, visual artists, literary artists. They're performing. We are bringing our nationally acclaimed speech and debate students who will be performing downtown, along with our student films and media that the kids have created that will all be able to be showcased and spread throughout, the workshops and the readings and the offerings that everybody can enjoy. There is something for everybody.
We also have our keynote speaker this year, who's a lovely young woman by the name of Zara Rahim. Zara is Muslim and an Indian author. She wrote a beautiful book called The Marriage Clock. She's going to be beginning her keynote speech at 12 o'clock. And before that, we have a book fair that's starting for the very first time, which is in addition to this festival in Birch Park. And we also are going to have an elementary school festival. We haven't had a place for the littles to come out and participate, but this year we have that through Oasis Center International, which is actually bringing their Art Transforms festival to Birch Park. And we will have children's theater that's going to be happening at Birch Senior Center. We're really excited to see you here this year, and we want to show you that creativity is not optional.
That's
and
right.
That art transforms, and that we are going to be here in the spirit of transformation at Boca De Oro 2020.